Today I'm going to show you how to make a rug on a frame out of scrap material strips. This is a rag rug loom. This is what I'm going to use to make my next rag rug. It's going to be really fun. Here's another look at the frame. It's just wood with nails on top and bottom. I definitely want my two side pieces to be out of non-stretchy material because I don't want my rug to get misshaped. So as you can see, I'm putting them around two nails. Some of them I'm even skipping, just to try and make it nice and easy to weave. For the bottom, I'm just going to tie a little loop and hook it on the nail. 11 3/4. 10 1/2. Something's got to change here. The next part is pretty self-explanatory, but maybe not. I'm just going to start weaving it. The first piece I'm going to start by, I have a slit in this and I'm going to slip it through it on one of these spots. It's just a simple over-under pattern. The rest of this I think I'll do on the floor. We join ends together by cutting holes in the ends of them, putting the attached strip through the new strip, and then do that again. My son was helping me pull it through a bit, and then it kind of made me think of an idea to do two sides at once by not pulling it through. So what I mean by that is weave it like I normally would, and then instead of pulling it through, push that part to the bottom. Push the part I'm working on to the top, push the part that I would have pulled through to the bottom. After I finished weaving it, if I had any loose ends, I just cut it in two, looped it around a random spot, and tied it. Then I just pulled it right off the board. Here's my finished rug. The only thing with this rug that is a little bit shady is the middle kind of is a bit smaller, a bit skinnier than the rest. Thanks for watching my video today, and check out some of my other videos if you feel like it, and subscribe also if you feel like it. See ya!